Watch this. I'm not touching anything. No clicking, no copy-pasting, no waiting around. This tool is generating images by itself, prompt after prompt, scene after scene, completely on its own. And now, watch this second tool. Those same images? It's turning them into videos, automatically, one by one, without me doing a single thing. And here's what makes this actually insane. Both of these tools are 100% free, no subscription, no credits to buy, no limits. You can run this every single day. If you run a Faceless AI channel, you already know the pain. One video means dozens of images, dozens of clips, hours of work just in generation alone. Not anymore. Today, I'm going to show you the exact automation workflow that kills all of that manual work and gets you from story idea to finished video assets faster than you've ever done it. Let's go. Every AI video starts with a story. That's your foundation. Now, you don't need to be a writer. You don't need to sit there staring at a blank screen. Just open ChatGPT and tell it exactly what you need. Here's how to prompt it properly. Tell ChatGPT, write me an engaging kid's story, horror story, or mystery. That's roughly 2 minutes long when read out loud. Make it dramatic, keep the scenes visual, and end on a strong moment. Specify the length, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever your video format needs. ChatGPT will size it accordingly. Hit run. In literally seconds, you'll have a fully written story, proper structure, emotional beats, scene changes built in. Read it through, tweak anything that feels off, and that's your script done. Now the next thing you need before touching any image tool is image prompts. One for every scene in that story. Go back to ChatGPT. New prompt. Based on this story, write detailed image generation prompts for each scene. For every character in the story, first give me a character description prompt so I can keep them consistent throughout. Then give me a scene-by-scene image prompt and include the storyline that matches each scene right below the prompt. Paste your full story at the bottom of that message and run it. What comes back? Character reference prompts, scene image prompts, and the matching storyline for every single scene. All formatted, all ready to use. That storyline reference is going to save you serious time when you're editing later. Section 2. Bulk Image Generation. VO Automation. Alright, story done. Prompts ready. Now here's where the automation actually starts. And this is the part most creators don't know about. Open Google Chrome and search VO Automation. Open the first website that comes up. You'll see a Chrome extension. Add it to your browser. Important. Double-check the name and the logo before you add it. Make sure it's the right one. Once it's added, click the extension's icon in Chrome and open the VO Automation extension. If you see a browser compatibility warning pop up, don't panic. Just click I understand, continue anyway, and it'll disappear. Now here's the thing. This extension only works on the Flow AI website. So inside the extension, click the Navigate to Flow button. It'll take you straight there. Once you're on Flow AI, click New Project to set up a fresh workspace. Now, let me walk you through the extension settings so you know exactly what you're doing. At the top, Mode Selection. You'll see options like Text to Video, Frame to Video, Image to Image, and Text to Image. For this step, select Text to Image, because we're building images first. Random Delay. This is how many seconds the extension waits between each image generation. Set it to 10 to 15 seconds. This keeps it smooth and avoids triggering any rate limits. Output per prompt. How many images Flow generates per prompt? Set this to 1. 1 image per scene, clean and simple. Settings section. Go to Settings. Confirm the mode is text to image. Pick your image model. I'm going with Nano Banana 2 right now. Solid results. And set your aspect ratio to 16:9 for standard horizontal video. Then set max retrace on failure to 2. So if an image doesn't generate first try, the extension automatically tries again twice before moving on. Save your settings. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy your character reference prompts first. Come back to Flow AI and paste all of them into the prompt box. One important rule. Each prompt must be in its own paragraph with a blank line between them. If a prompt has a line break in the middle, the extension reads it as 2 separate prompts. So clean that up before running. Hit run. Watch what happens. It pastes the prompt itself, generates the image, downloads it automatically, then moves to the next one. You're just watching. Once your character images are downloaded, rename each file to the character's name exactly as it appears in your story. This matters a lot, and I'll explain why in a second. Now for image to image, keeping characters consistent. Change the mode in both the control panel and settings from text to image to image to image. Save settings. Upload your renamed character reference images using the Upload button. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy all of your scene image prompts. But before you paste them into the extension, you need to clean them up. Remove the storylines, keep only the image prompts themselves, one per paragraph. Paste them into the prompt box. Now here's the key step. Find the Auto Add Character Images toggle and turn it on. This is why you renamed the image files to match the character names. When this toggle is on, the extension reads each prompt, finds the character name, and automatically attaches that character's reference image, so every scene stays visually consistent with zero extra work from you. Hit Run. It selects the reference image, pastes the prompt, generates, downloads, over and over, automatically. Every character, 100% consistent across every scene. That is how you generate bulk consistent images without touching anything. Images done. Now let's turn every single one of them into video clips, in bulk. For this, we're using Meta AI. Go to the Meta AI website and log into your account. Now, just like before, we need an automation extension. Open Chrome and search Meta Automation. Open the correct website, check the name and logo carefully, and add it to Chrome. Once it's added, go back to Meta AI, click the extensions icon, and open Meta Automation. The interface looks very similar to the Veyo automation extension, so this will feel familiar. Settings, mode to frame to video, because we're converting images to video clips. Random delay to 10 to 15 seconds. Upload your images here, and sequence matters. Upload them in the exact order you want the scenes to appear. Do that now. Output per prompt arrow 1. Go to Settings, confirm frame to video, aspect ratio 16:9, video duration leave on default for now. Max ratres on failure equals 2. Same logic as before. If Meta AI doesn't generate on the first attempt, the extension retries automatically. Save. Now you need video motion prompts, one for each scene. Go back to ChatGPT, new prompt. Based on these image prompts and their matching storylines, write cinematic video motion prompts for Meta AI. Each prompt should describe the camera movement, lighting changes, and character motion for that scene. Output them in clean code block format, one prompt per line. Paste your scene image prompts with their storylines at the bottom and run it. ChatGPT gives you back clean, optimized video prompts, formatted specifically for the Meta Automation extension. But you'll notice the storylines are still mixed in. One more ChatGPT pass. Take these video prompts and strip out all storylines. Return only the motion prompts, one per paragraph with a blank line between each one. No numbering, no labels. Paste the output from the previous step. Run it. And now you've got clean prompts ready to go. Copy them all. Go back to Meta AI, paste everything into the prompt box. Hit Run. The extension takes over. It uploads the image, pastes the prompt, generates the video, downloads it. Next image, next prompt, next video. Over and over until every single clip is done, without you doing anything. That's the full automation pipeline. ChatGPT writes your story and all your prompts. Veyo automation generates your images in bulk with consistent characters. Meta automation converts every image into a video clip, hands-free. What used to take hours now runs while you do something else. But here's what I didn't cover today. How to take all of these clips and edit them into a video that actually holds viewer attention past the first 30 seconds, because the automation is only half the battle. In my next video, I'm breaking down the exact editing sequence I use in CapCut to turn raw AI clips into videos that retain 70% plus of viewers all the way through. Click that video right now. It's right here.